In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add another demo account on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness account, then click on this plus here. Make sure you are in account and click on this plus. Now you have to choose here between the type of accounts you want. As you can see here the minimum deposit, it's $10. The minimum spread 0.3, the max leverage, and the commissions, as you can see here. So I will choose this one, standard. Click on continue. Here, make sure you choose demo. And as you can see, we have here the type standard, the currency USD. You can change it if you want. For me, I will keep USD. And we have here the max leverage. You can also change it if you want. And we have here the platform MetaTrader 5. You can also change it to MetaTrader 4 if you want. And we have here the nickname. You can give it a nickname if you want. So let's name it new demo, for example, like this, and click on save changes. Now click on continue. And now you have to add your trading password. Okay, so for me, this is my trading password. After that, click on create account. And now, as you can see, this is our new demo account, as you can see here. Now we have here a $0 on the balance. You have to add balance. All you have to do is click on deposit, and you can type here whatever you want. So for me, I will type, for example, $1,000. You can type whatever you want, but I recommend that you type the same amount that you will add to your real account if you open one. So click on continue. As you can see, accepted. And now we have $1,000. Now you can click on trade. And as you can see here, this is our Exness account. If you want to see it like a trading view chart, all you have to do is click on this settings icon here and go to chart, this one. As you can see, we have here Exness. Click on it and click on trading view. Now if we go back, as you can see, we have here a trading view chart. And as you can see here, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.